Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic that you might not have thought about before, the importance of a toilet brush in the kitchen. Yes, you heard that right, a toilet brush in the kitchen. So, let's dive in and find out why it's important. Cleaning tough stains. A toilet brush can come in handy when you need to clean tough stains in your kitchen. Whether it's stubborn grease on your stovetop or burnt food on your baking trays, a toilet brush with sturdy bristles can help scrub away the grime without scratching your surfaces. Reaching tight spaces. The long handle of a toilet brush can also help you reach tight spaces in your kitchen, such as the corners of your countertops or the crevices in your appliances. It's especially useful for cleaning around the edges of your sink and faucet where food debris tends to accumulate. Keeping things sanitary. We all know that a toilet brush is designed to keep your toilet clean and sanitary. Similarly, using a separate toilet brush in the kitchen can help you maintain a hygienic environment. By using a different brush for the kitchen, you can prevent the spread of harmful bacteria and germs that could make you and your family sick. Saving money. A toilet brush is an inexpensive tool that can be used for multiple purposes. By using a toilet brush to clean your kitchen, you can save money on expensive cleaning products and tools. Plus, you won't have to worry about replacing your toilet brush as often since you'll be using it in two different areas of your home. Protecting the environment. Using a toilet brush in the kitchen can also be an eco-friendly solution. By reducing the number of cleaning products you use, you'll be doing your part to protect the environment. Plus, a toilet brush can be easily cleaned and reused, reducing waste and your carbon footprint. So, there you have it. The importance of a toilet brush in the kitchen. It might seem like a strange idea, but as we've discussed, it can be a useful and practical tool that can save you time and money and keep your kitchen clean and sanitary. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.